Are you curious about VLM and Triton? Let's dive in and see which one is better for you. In this video, we'll compare VLM and Triton, two popular tools in the tech world. Both help with running machine learning models, but they have their own unique features. VLM is known for its speed. It's designed to run large models efficiently. Users love how it can handle multiple requests at once. This makes it a great choice for busy applications that need quick responses. On the other hand, Triton focuses on flexibility. It supports various model types and frameworks. This means you can use it for different projects without changing tools. Triton is perfect for developers who want to experiment with different models. Now, let's look at the key differences. BLM is all about performance and speed. It shines when you need fast processing. Triton, however, offers more options and adaptability. It's great for those who want to customize their experience. When it comes to features, VLM excels in handling high load smoothly. It's optimized for speed and efficiency. Triton, in contrast, provides a wider range of model support. It allows you to mix and match models easily. Pricing is another factor to consider. VLLM may have a straightforward pricing model based on usage. Triton often offers various plans depending on the features you need. In the end, if you need speed and efficiency, VLM is the way to go. But if you want flexibility and the ability to try different models, Triton is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.